Hello guys, hope you doing well. In today video, I will explain you how you can get Adobe Express 3 months trial account. Okay. So simply I will provide you the link in comments or description. So click on that link. Okay. And open new tab and paste this link there. Okay, you can see here the offer page. This is showing that 3-month trial, free Adobe Express 3-month trial. So simply click on continue. And now they are asking for enter email address. So I will enter email address. Continue with Google. Okay, so I will continue with Google. Now you can see here they are asking for add payment method. So simply you can use your own debit card or credit card. Okay, use your own debit or credit card details. I'm using my NeaPay and SadaPay because there is also freeze option in the card. So after payment, I'm using just that for trials, and after that I freeze them. So there is not any deduction for these free trials can happen on my card. So I'm suggesting you can use NeaPay or SadaPay card, so you can, after getting trial, you can freeze them. Okay, so I will use my card. Enter your card expiry date, CVC number and details. After entering the details, just click on start free trial. Click on start free trial. Okay. And you can see here we have got Adobe Express 3-month trial here. Now click on get started. And you can see here we have premium membership of Adobe Express. So you can use it. These tools you will get in this plan: Firefly, Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, and stocks, fonts, Adobe. These are all Adobe products. So you can get for 3-month trial of this. Hope so you will like this video. If you want more tricks, more free tools, or more content like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.